Hey everybody, I'm Norris. It is February 20th. Where did February go? And this is the Norris Group's Real Estate Headline Roundup in 2. The NAHB reported a 2-point decrease in builder confidence this month, now standing at 55. The mortgage delinquency rate decreased in the fourth quarter and now stands at 3.29%. The Mortgage Bankers Association reported a 13.2% decrease in mortgage applications from last week. Maybe something to do with the big snowstorms, who knows. Freddie Mac reported an increase in mortgage rates for the second week in a row, with 30-year rates now at 3.76% and 15-year rates at 3.05%. Housing affordability increased in the fourth quarter for families earning the median income of $63,900. 62.8% of new and existing homes were affordable to them. As of Tuesday, Trulia is now owned by Zillow after a $2.5 billion merger, and the deal is approved by the FTC, and they are now going to be called Zillow Group. They will continue to use the Zillow brand, but in a little snag, a partnership between Trulia and ListHub for data syndication was abruptly severed by Zillow, which was supposed to last until June of 2016. ListHub is owned by Threeswide Corp, which is owned by Move Inc., which is owned by News Corp, which also runs Realtor.com. A little confusing. Zillow is developing its own management listing syndication platform, which seeks to provide faster listings and will work directly with brokers and the MLSs. It is very confusing sometimes to track all the data and where it's going, and every MLS has its own thing going on. I think San Diego is taking on syndication on its own. It's going to be very interesting to see how this space progresses in the next couple years. Despite mostly positive forecasts going into 2015, real estate is off to a shaky start with a decrease in construction, consumer confidence, and mortgage applications. Redfin, however, says they see signs of increased first-time buyer interest, particularly from young buyers locked out last year. More first-time home buyers have better opportunities with new adjustments to mortgage rules and fewer risks. Let's see the snow melt on the East Coast, and let's get back to work in March, shall we? That's it for the headlines today, but there are many more headlines on our Norris Group blog at thenorrisgroup.com/blog. Up on the radio show this week, we've got our appraiser, Rick Solis, longtime friend and appraiser out in California. We also launched this week our tech and real estate. I get to do a segment, and the first one is with HomesAuto.com. Really interesting technology that especially realtors might find interesting, so definitely check that out. We'll post it on YouTube and share on Facebook, so you won't want to miss that. February 21st, we are doing our annual subscriber brunch. If you haven't looked at our subscription, it basically unlocks all of our California-only investor essentials for an annual price of $350. It includes the investor newsletter and webinars and a really cheap annual meeting. It's a lot of great information and such a great value. Check that out online. February 24th, we're going to be doing Discover How to Create a $100,000 Payday per Deal in 2015 with the Apartment Owners Association in Anaheim. March 3rd, we have our property buying bootcamp here at the Norris Group in Riverside. March 4th, 2015 real estate forecast, and March 9th, discover how to create a $100,000 payday, and we're going to be doing that at LA South RIA. For more information on our hard money loans, check out thenorrisgroup.com, and if you want more information on trust deed investing, check out tngtrustdeeds.com. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week.